Hello, my name is Marisol Torres. This is part 3 of Speak and Improve. The question is all university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. Okay, three questions. The first one are what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and what is your own opinion? Okay, the first one, the advantage is because you had more money to pay the material of a study. Sometimes you don't have money, you are alone, and you need to pay the photocopies, books, and papers. The disadvantage is because you don't have time to study, and it's impossible to have a part-time job. For me, I always had been responsible and organized when I had a job. And because I have time to study. Thank you.